Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S. This is a very unique vehicle. Don't see these hardly ever, especially in such a unique color. Definitely a super sharp vehicle here. Got the green exterior. All kinds of fun little features. The AMG with that custom green finish. We've got this carbon fiber accent interior, as well as the accent gold stitching, which matches really nicely with the brake calipers down here. Heated and ventilated seats. You also have the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package. Seats also have that same accent stitching. You've got your AMG badging throughout, as well as on the steering wheel here. All right, hopping inside. You can see again that carbon fiber accent. Got a push button ignition. Brand new vehicle, currently about 25 miles on it currently. We've got our steering wheel here. Also have our shifter right up there. You also notice the ambient LED lighting, fully customizable within your menu system. Currently doing a little green here to kind of keep the green theme going. Here's our touchscreen display. It's currently showing navigation and radio and backup camera. Of course, it is a touchscreen, so you can access it that way there. You've also got your steering wheel controls, and you've also got a touchpad here as well. Okay, below your display, we've got our climate controls right here. You also have menu buttons. You can pull up climate controls right on the display as well. We've got cup holders. We've got a cigarette lighter or power adapter, a couple USB connections. We've got the Mercedes-Benz fragrance in here currently. And then we've got a ton other things to work with here. First, we've got our dynamic select switch here, so you can switch between the different sport modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. You can also change up how the suspension works for you here, turning on and off traction control. You can kick on the powerful mode here, which is super fun, gives a little more power in your exhaust. Nice little rumble as you're going down the road. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. There's a ton more we could show you. But if you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website. We'd love to take you out for a test drive or walk you through any more of the features here. So, taking a look at rear seats here next. More of that accent stitching. Do a quick peek back up at the front of the vehicle. And then coming around to the rear, we've got our AMG Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S badging. Get this nice, much darker, kind of blacked out badging, really nice. Power opening and closing trunk. Got a surprisingly quite a bit of trunk space back here. It's kind of a hatchback style trunk. And you've got the Burmester subwoofer back here as well. Now push button to close. And that is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT 63S. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.